Inferno, you spazzing.
I just poured 4 cocaine in my stomach. Bad little thought, blue cash, all hundreds. White little hoe, cocaine, no summit. Perk said hi, I ain't seen this shit coming. I got the slime, big ass knot. Drinking on drop, so you know I'm a drop. That bitch is bad, big ass stop. I got the bag, big ass knot.
Yo, what's up, boys? Mdark here, and I'm here with Twiz.
Yo, what's up, boys?
In today's video, we recorded a road to a trick shot with some of our best grinders, and what happened was crazy.
So the first and only rule is 30 meters and above with the bull. And how this video is going to work is we play 2 games. If both teams hit shots, then it's first to hit wins. If one team hits 1 shot and the other team hits 2 shots in both of their games, then they are automatically crowned the winner of this competition. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Red, mate. I don't even know where I'm going. Go Doom. Doomy woo. Can you say Doomy woomy?
Doomy woomy.
You fucking douchebag. I can't do it. You sound so dumb. Try and get a do a country accent.
Country accent. Hey y'all. Bob. Yeah. I've got jellies. So. Right. Which way are we doing this?
Wait.
Oh my god.
There.
He's underneath the shot. This is really annoying.
Hit it. That's close. See, I didn't set it up right because I'm like 2 HP and I'm not trying to die.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Why am I going for like actual flips?
Yeah, no, so I'm where's this? Oh my god. I actually think I might hit. I'm not gonna lie to you boys. I feel it in my body, I feel it in my bones. Oh yeah, I'm hitting.
Hit it.
Oh yeah.
Hit it, dude.
Oh my god, come on game. You can't be doing me like this. This is dirty.
Yeah. It's like the sex.
Yes, let's go!
Let's go, Astrid!
See, I told you, best
Let's
EU.
go,
I
baby.
don't say anything else. I only speak facts.
Let's go, baby!
Hit that epic Fortnite trick shot.
Ready?
Yep.
What just happened?
Oh my, what just happened, bro?
Dude, my balloon, holy
Please
shit.
connect. Please connect.
We cannot lose.
We're not losing this, boys.
Yeah. I tried
It was worth a try.
shockwave thingy.
No!
I might be dead.
My balloon's straighter than me,
You don't know where
holy
car
shit.
is?
Okay.
There's no
Yeah,
way. Alright,
I
hit
got
this.
a car, so we can switch off Iron Man car crash.
Oh!
I just blinked.
I saw. Oh my god, what the f? Oh my god.
Holy shit, man.
Oh.
Why do we have to
My
leave him
balloon
with
is
the
so
scar? Why am I so
straight. No!
Oh, bro. Are you joking?
Yo, he hit the car bounce.
He's in the air. He just
Oh
did
my
the
God.
car bounce.
I hope it's not supercharged, because then he might die to it if he...
Is it?
Why, dude?
Where is he?
Oh!
You hit?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Let's
That's pretty
go.
cool. It's pretty cool.
Let's
It's like
go.
40 meters.
We're not gonna lose.
Yeah,
Let's
we're too
go.
good, bro.
Over here, full build. Alright, I'm gonna set a shot up for y'all. There, I set a shot up. Hit it, bro. Hit it, bro. There you go. Hit it. Oh! That was so close.
It's invisible for me.
Oh my god, I actually think I might hit again. I'm actually gonna have to carry the EU side. That'd be insane.
There you go. Hit that.
Oh no, this kid's gonna be dead. This kid's gonna be dead.
Imagine I hit that. That works so perfect.
Oh, that's not what's going on game. Come on, keep together game.
I almost just hit her.
Ah, frick you, man. You, man.
Oh! Kage! Oh! Hit that Kage! Hit that Kage! Oh, Dude, wait, how did I send you? I just threw our bag. I just sent Kage. Imagine.
Oh my god, he's so
I
good.
kind of forgot to record. There we go. I don't see. Oh, he's perfect.
Oh, what the f?
I just first try fucking meter off.
It gave me a heart attack.
I have perfect bloom, bro.
Then hit. Lord.
Same, I have really good bloom.
Is he dead? I think he might be dead.
I'm gonna go over and shockwave him.
Ooh!
Fuck.
Sheesh. Yeah, is he
I'm going
dead?
up the
Oh, he's
shotgun.
not dead. Okay, oh, that bitch went flying. You have more crash pads?
No.
Oh, if I tree bang this, oh, never mind. Guess not, dude.
Throw it.
Bro! There's no way.
I saw that. Those
Come back. It's still here. It's still
I'm
here.
coming.
Bro,
No
you
way.
saw my shot, right?
Yeah.
There's no way. I just blanked him! Bro!
Dead. Alright, jump out
No,
whenever.
please don't hit this.
Alright, jump out whenever.
No, please don't hit this. Please don't hit this. Please don't hit this.
Hit it.
Oh,
No! So I have a broom.
meter off. Okay, nice.
Okay,
Okay, yeah, we need to hit.
No!
Yo,
okay.
anyone have a bouncer?
No!
Ready?
I.
Hit, please
Please
hit.
don't hit. Shit.
Oh my god, I got stuck.
Anybody want to send me on a horizontal can? I'll hit her first.
Yeah, come. It's kind of the last thing, only thing we
Alright,
can do.
here.
Get on that.
Take this.
Jump.
Oh my god. I got really close.
Hit this. Imagine.
No! No, that was a can suit.
I hit.
Let's go.
Dude.
Did we win?
Go.
Let's
Did we
go.
There's no way.
Let's
Did we
go.
win?
I wonder if they hit.
Did you guys hit?
No.
Yo, get
What?
shit
You
on,
guys
bro.
fucking
No way. Did you
Let's
actually?
go, dude.
Suck. There's no
Let's
way.
go.
No, I'm just sitting there jump asking and I couldn't fucking hit.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment hashtag Team Mdark because, you know, I'm just a better team in one, of course. And, yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.
Baby, I love you. I need you here with me all the time.